How to change Snapchat calling sound. The one thing you need to know that you cannot change the calling sound directly from your Snapchat application. But what you can do is, first of all, head over to your settings. Tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Scroll down and search for the application Snapchat, and then head over to it. Move into notifications. Scroll down and tap on snaps and chats. Now right here the option of sound will be visible to you. Tap on it. So here you can see that different sounds are available. Tap on one of the category. Over here now you can go ahead and select any sound that you prefer. So let me select this sound. Once you save the selected sound, it will save the changes, and next time when you get the call from someone, it will show the call in the new sound. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to change the calling sound on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thanks for watching it till the end.